Guys, today we're gonna go explore a haunted, abandoned something using the help of this app. We're not sponsored, but we'd like to be. What do you do if someone's parked illegally and coming towards you?
I have had enough.
Right, this is how you shout at a civilian.
Oh my God!
Look, this is how you scare someone.
Look! What the hell is this? What the hell?
God, no way, yeah.
Kurwa! Kurwa! Wstawaj, kurwa! Look! Look! Guys, hold it! What Labubu do I remind you of? Is it a sexy Labubu? It's not you fucking reader, you cunt! Mike Wazowski! Mike Wazowski! Guys, comment in the comments. What hurts more, giving birth or being kicked in the nuts? And what's worse, having man flu or having your period? I know what I'd prefer. Cheers! Get out of it! Get out of it now! Run out! Run! CCTV in operation? You didn't see anything CCTV actually. Get out. Right, everyone check the coast is clear. No! Go! Turn green! Turn green, you fucking idiot! Turn green! Turn green! Right, you ready? Guys, there's a police station right around the corner. You already know what that means. Let me clear my throat. Police on a plan! What do you guys want? Luke Simmons out! Luke Simmons out! Luke Simmons! This is Arundel Castle! If you want to get molested, comment I've got a nice moustache. Whoever the hell you were last video, I'm going to molest you. Nie wiem, kto taki komentarz zostawił, ale ktokolwiek to był, zmolestujecie. What the hell are you talking about? Insert photo here. Oh my God. Yeah, cheers. Right. Oh, that was so bright.
Insert George Michael music here.
So there's a rumour that in Arundel there's a guy that doesn't stop talking about this in Bucky Man, and if you throw a tail with him, yeah, Schmarkus, Durkus, Doof and Schmarpus. Fucking funny bit. Oi! No, that's the Skinwalker! Why are you not running? Why are you not running?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Why are you not running? Yeah, that's what I thought. Pussy pigeon. Pussy pigeon. Pussy pigeon. Oh my God. Oh. No. Pussy pigeon. Pussy pigeon. Pussy pigeon. Pussy pigeon. Pussy pigeon. No, the pussy pigeon. The pussy pigeon is going. The pussy pigeon. The whole 2 hours calling. That's my favourite.
Oh yeah, let's get into it. Ready? Brownie batter, that should be good. That's your favourite?
That's my favourite.
That's my favourite. What's butter? Is that meat?
That's my favourite. What?
I was warning you, that's your favourite.
Right, who's recording this? No, run.
Right, we made it here. There's nothing haunted about this. Right, you are fine.
The most haunted thing about this whole thing is that poo. Although if we something. Oh my god. It goes so
That is
nearly
so
5
long.
seconds. Nearly 5 seconds. Right, count mine, count mine.
Okay. Yeah, it's nearly 5.
Yeah, but the thing is, it'll probably keep going beyond where.
Yes, yes, give me the